Set. Extra full rich. We're gonna go up to 2,000.
Human traffic, Sheriff Helicopter Rescue 9 on the go from
Left.
Sheriff's Pad, westbound departure Hibbett.
That looks good.
You guys heading out to
Back to
Elkhorn?
boat. Right. Down to 1,500. Back to both. Up to 2,000 again. That looked good. RP, we're going to wait. Ammeter. Charging. Vacuum. 5.1. Oil temperature. That's check. Oil pressure check. Fuel pressure check. Gauges are where I want them. Annunciator panel looks good. RP. Good drop. Make sure it doesn't stall out.
Human traffic, blue and white to
And
Calvary,
it does
taxi
not.
to transient parking. Human traffic.
Okay. Carb heat is off. Fuel pump is on. Mixture is full. Primer's locked. Flight instruments. To adjust this.
Guy who's gonna be taping you, I think, when you take off. Watching
Oh, I
from
need to
the.
get the
2,000, temperature 24, Celsius, dew point 3, altimeter 3004, density altitude 2.
Alright, fuel selector is on the left. Back, seatbelts, flaps down, trim tab. Locked, locked, push, controls, watch your knees. And the other way. All looks free and correct. Radio set. Alright, we've got Hemet, we've got March. Transponder VFR. Lights are on. Alright,